some of my YouTube family members. So I received 3 separate packages. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. This is my first package, and I received this from Vanessa M. She's one of my YouTube moderators. She's a beautiful lady with a beautiful personality to match. Alright, so let's just get started. Okay, so here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 packs of the blue acrylic gems from Dollar Tree. Thank you, Vanessa. I can definitely use these. I really appreciate it. You didn't have to do this. When you guys go out and purchase things or send super chats doing the live, I truly appreciate it because you guys are spending your money on me and you don't have to. So when I get gifts like this, and I'm not used to receiving gifts, I truly appreciate you. Thank you so much. Next up, I have a package from another moderator. Her name is Ro. Ro is a beautiful woman as well and has a lovely personality. Guys, when I tell you I am blessed to have some of the best YouTube family members, believe me. Okay, so let's get started. Let's just pour it out. First off, I have a letter. And it says, "Hello, beautiful. I hope you are having a good day. I know you will create something beautiful and amazing. Much love and be blessed, sis. Love, Ro." Aw, thank you, Ro. Thank you. I love handwritten notes. It's old school and I love that. Ooh. Alright, so if you've ever listened to my live, you guys would know that I've been trying to find the iridescent diamond shaped gems from Dollar Tree. And I haven't been able to find any. But thanks to Ro, she sent me clear ones. And I was able to create a DIY with that, and I'll link it below. And she sent some red ones. I'll definitely be doing a DIY with those in the future, once I figure out what I'll be using them for. And finally, she sent me some blue ones. Look at how pretty these are. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs. Thank you so much, Ro. I am definitely going to create something beautiful with these. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I swear to God, I have not been able to find these. And I've been searching, searching, and searching. So yeah, again, I'm lucky enough to have YouTube family members that love me enough to look out for me. So thank you for this, Ro. And she sent me some goodies. Ro is a Mary Kay salesperson. So she sent me something from Mary Kay. Oh, look at this bag, isn't it cute? Here's the contact information if you guys are interested. Show a little love. She sells Mary Kay products. Okay, so scrub your lips and then moisturize with the lip balm. Thank you so much, Ro. That's so sweet of you. I just don't know what I did to deserve this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ro. You are so sweet. You guys rock, and I'm so happy that you guys are a part of my family. Thank you. Now, I received this huge box of goodies from the gorgeous Miss Elisa Higgs. And as you can see, she loaded me up. Thank you so much, Elisa. I did peek in, of course. I had to open the box and everything, and you know, so I haven't really just gone through it. So let's just get started. All right. First thing I see are these Dollar Tree tower blocks. Now, Minda told me about these. Minda Mitchell, she's kind of my Ed McMahon on my lives. My Ed McMahon to Johnny Carson, so to speak. And she told me about these, and I've been trying to find these. And I have not been able to find these tall packages. Thank you so much, Elisa. She sent me 3 boxes, I believe. Yeah, 3. Ooh. Black glitter, easy to use. All right. This is perfect timing because I'm going to make a black crushed glass pumpkin on my second channel. And I can use this black glitter to complement the crushed glass. So So yeah, thank you. Now I did know about this because she told me about this on the live. She was like, I have some chunky rose gold glitter for you. Look at that, isn't that pretty? And it's quite a bit too. Look at that. And this one says, Try Art Liquid Glass, pouring color white. Very glossy and smooth, transparent and opaque colors formulated for optimal pigmentation and for pouring applications. Best applied to rigid surfaces. So I've never seen this, therefore I've never used it. So I'm going to go ahead and look it up and see exactly how to use this and use this in a DIY. As you guys can see, Elisa really knows me because I'm always using popsicle sticks, especially when I'm trying to apply glue to small areas. So yeah, thank you for the popsicle sticks. Definitely can use those. These are one of those little measuring, cutting mat thingies. Thank you, I could definitely use this. Maybe it'll help me measure more because you guys know I kind of like eyeball things, so this would definitely come in handy and I'll find a reason to use it. What do we have here? Ooh. 3 mirrors. How big are these? I'm not sure, but you guys know I can always use mirrors. 2 little containers with lids. Definitely can use those, especially when I'm working with Mod Podge and crushed glass or glitters. And she also sent 2 of these finger protectors for when I'm working with hot glue so that I don't burn myself. These will come in handy as well. And we have this small little applicator bottle. It's a really small needle nose type applicator. And I'm sure I'll find a reason to use this as well. And she sent this blade. I've never used a blade like this, but I'm sure I'll find a reason to use it. I think it'll be great for cutting like stitches and stuff too. And I like it has this little protective case. And finally, I have some Dr. Crafty casting and coating epoxy resin. 8-ounce 2 set. Wow, I've never heard of them before. On the back it says crystal clear, self-leveling. So I'm hoping this is true, that it does not yellow over time. If so, I would definitely be using this over and over again. It says non-flammable. There's no VOCs and low odor. It says also includes 2 100 milliliter measuring cups with spouts, 1 yellow plastic spreader, and 5 wooden sticks. Thank you so much, Elisa. I'm excited about my box. Like I told you when it arrived, it was partially open, so I'm hoping everything that you sent is still in the box. I'm more than thrilled with my gifts. Again, thank you all. Thank you, Vanessa M. Thank you, Ro. Thank you, Elisa. I love you guys so much. And again, I will definitely be using my gifts in an upcoming DIY. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Thank you. I love you, ladies. Mwah.